finally here. It's my winter Goldie box. So if you want to see what I selected, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's harassing my mom for food and Chloe is taking a little nap. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, so you can hear him bark, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is my winter Goldie box. Mine did take a little bit longer because I did request 2 items that she didn't have in stock, but if she can get them back in stock, you get it a little bit later. And if she can't, she reaches out and says, hey, I couldn't get those back in stock. So, you know, I'd gone on like maybe a couple of hours late, and both 2 items that I really wanted were sold out. And I said I'd rather wait and see if she can get them in a restock and snag them than pick 2 items that I wasn't as excited about. So she used to have like 16 choices. Now I think it's down to 12. I think that makes it a little easier though, because sometimes like you really like all 16 items. This is curated by Jess over at Everything Proof. So she's a YouTuber and she decided to do her own subscription box. You get to choose everything that's in the box, and then depending upon your level, bronze, silver, or gold, you get additional prizes, surprises, I guess. How many items you pick also is based upon if you are a bronze, silver, or gold. So what do I pick? 7? I think I picked 7. Silver would be 6 and bronze would be 5. And then you get 1, 2, or 3 surprises based upon your level. Now she always works with companies that are cruelty-free. They're not necessarily vegan. Sometimes they are, but the companies are always cruelty-free, which is something that I appreciate in a box. And choice day is always on the first day of the season, which means you get your box a little bit later in the season, but it is certainly still winter out. And I can recall getting winter boxes when it was still quite warm out, like in November and early December. So I kind of appreciate getting the winter items as I'm really in winter. I know some of you don't have the same kind of seasonal weather as we do in New England, although some of you did get a taste of it, and I am sorry about that, because yeah, we don't like that weather. Even though we're in New England, we don't like all the snow and the super cold temps. Like today, I'm filming on the 29th of January and it was 50 degrees. So I think we got your weather, Texas. I'm not sure. Florida, I think we got your weather and you got ours. And I'm really sorry that that got confused, but I'm also not mad about that on my end. So there is a little flyer, and I did have 2 add-ons for $8 each. So what she'll do is she will, after all customizations are done, so you start off on the 20th, so was it the 20th of December, I think we customized, or the 21st, whatever the first day of winter was. And then once customization window closes, she looks at her stock and she says, okay, here's what I have. And what, you know, if you're gold, you get first access at $8 each. So I did pick up 2 extra things. Right, it's not much of a sneak peek, but here is your sneak peek. Everything's pretty well wrapped. And one of my first choice, oh, there's a third. I did go back on, I'll explain that after, but anyway, this was one of the choice items. It was a really pretty notebook, and I use notebooks like this. Some people use them as journals. I use them basically for when I'm trying to do product reviews. So if I'm doing a spoiler and I want to know all about the products and I want to share that with you, I will do those in a notebook like this, and then I'll kind of have it to go through. And I like this spiral because it's easier to just keep it nice and flat. So here it is, and oh, this is more than that. That's right, this is more of a planner. Okay, I still like that though. I knew that and I still picked it. And yeah, I thought this would be good on my desk actually, so I could put like, I have a lot of to-dos every day because I'm doing a lot of different things at my job. So I thought this would be very helpful. And then it also has like meals, snacks, and water to kind of just make sure, because I will get so embroiled in something and so caught up in it that I will forget to eat. So it's a good reminder, I thought, to have it like right there, like, oh, wait a minute, you didn't have lunch. So, you know, get something now. And this is by Bloom, and it is a $16.95 value. And this is a candle. This is the Chilean Wax Company Dignity Series. This one is apples and maple bourbon. Smells so good. I feel like this was an add-on though. This was an $8 add-on. And while we're doing that, this was also an $8 add-on. This is scented by Ellie, and this is a maple hair swirl scenter. So you put this in your car or in a small room, and then there is like a little cap in there that you're going to take out, and you turn it upside down and you let all of the wax kind of get into that wooden area, and then turn it back over, and it's going to release a nice scent in your car. And these are hand done by a young woman who's in college trying to help pay for her college costs. So I was really, excited to be able to promote and support her small business. I paid $8. I think these are like $11 on her website. And this was also an add-on. And this I had gotten and loved, and I would pack my lunch in here every day, which is just like some grilled chicken or some lunch meat, some cheese, and some fruit. And it got put in the fridge, and it fell out of the fridge, and the top broke. So I had to go on and get another one because it was so cute and I really loved it. So I was so happy that she had more. By Foxy Bay, this is the heat protectant spray, and I was getting low, so I knew I needed some more of the heat protectant spray. I was using the dry bar one, and in the interim I did run out, so I had to get another one, but that's okay because this will just be next up. I love the Foxy Bay products. It's in this box. You know it is cruelty-free, and it is a $14.95 value. It has shea butter to hydrate and 8 oils for healthy hair, baobab extract for repair, and biotin to strengthen. Next, I got this lippy. So there were, I think, 2 colors, and I got it says affectionate. This is by The Balm, and I do enjoy their products. This is a matte, and I am more of a gloss kind of gal, but I do like that color, and I do think it will look nice, just buffed out a little bit, and then with a little gloss over it. Or maybe it's just the one. It says it's a natural pink shade, and it's a $17 value. Next, I got the Balm to the Rescue Skincare. This is a lightweight moisturizer infused with skin healthy ingredients like ceramides and peptides, and it has a lightweight texture. It's 4-day. You could use it at night if you wanted to, and it's an $18 value. And this is also clean beauty and vegan. All right, so there we go. By Base Blue, there is, I think this is a highlighter, 4 Seasons Face Color Winter Contour, it says, but I think it's a highlighter, not a contour. Now, Base Blue Cosmetics, they do a lot of donations, so whenever you purchase something from them, they do make donations depending upon the product line. They have different places that they donate to for different product lines. They have like one product line, I think it's a lip product line that donates to IVF therapy. The top is magnetic. Look at how gorgeous that is. And sometimes with these things, I just want to look at them and I don't even feel like I can use them. Last time in the fall, she had a different one, which I already had, so I didn't pick that up, but I was so excited to see this one. And there's a new one, or I don't know if it's new, but I did see another one, and I'm like, I really hope she does that one for the spring. So Jess, if you're watching, there's another one they have I really want you to do for the spring, and that's definitely a highlighter. This, oh, it's a color corrector. That's what this is. and it works to combat redness, sallow tones, and brighten under eyes. These are all things that I need, having rosacea, so I definitely need that redness combated, and I definitely need the under eye combated too. This was one of the two items that I definitely wanted to get. This is by, I think it's Jax Kelly, yes, and this is the strawberry guava scent. And it's not winter scented, but I love these scents. So these are 100% American grown soy wax, and they are hand poured. It's a 4-ounce candle, and it was available in strawberry guava or cinnamon chai. Oh my goodness, that smells so sweet. Oh yeah, and you know, Valentine's Day is coming, so I kind of feel like that would be a cute Valentine's Day scent. And then the cinnamon chai. So both of these were the items I was waiting for because they were sold out. Like I said, customization opens up at 5 p.m. Eastern time, and I think I was maybe 8 o'clock at night because I was busy. I was surprised, like, that these, I wasn't surprised because people always go for the candle options. I don't like this one as much. I can't quite pin down what it is, but I was expecting a more cinnamony, like when you make chai tea, which we do. I'm not really getting that. I mean, we'll burn it, but, and maybe in the burning it'll smell a little different, but no, I'm not liking this one as much. All right, next for $8, I did add on these brushes, and these are by Veramona, and each one tells you like what it's for, so it's instructional, and I thought that's kind of neat. So here we go. Here's how they look. This is a blending brush for the crease and upper eye. So I do like that. All right. So you get 5 brushes. And then next are the 3 additional things that she chooses. And the first, which I think is really cool because it goes with the journal, is this pen. It's by LSW. Oh, I didn't tell you the values of those things. Okay, the base blue is a $25 value. The candles were $13 value each. The balm lotion was $18. The lippy was $17. And the brushes $14.99. All right, so this pen is a silver bare bonus. It's a $19 value. It's by LSW, and it's a gold point pen. It has high quality metal and an engraved logo featuring black ink, and it's the perfect companion to journals or to the planner in this box. Next is the Bronze Bear, and this is by Studio. This is by Studio, and it's a hand sanitizer carrier. And there is a little plastic container in there. There's no hand sanitizer in there, so you can pour whatever your favorite one is in there, but super cute. One thing with this type is sometimes they open. Had that happen before. Not with this particular bottle, but I have had like the Bath and Body Works ones open. So I'm not going to put this on my belt loop for certain, but you could just clip it, you know, to anything. And that's an $8 value. And then last is the Gold Bear bonus, and that is a set of 3 Vitamasks cranberry and apple. This is a $10 value, and it has cranberry and apples combined with vitamin C, peptides, pre and probiotics, and postbiotics for optimal skin repair. I did get these before, I want to say in FabFitFun, and I really enjoyed them. So going to get right on top of using these. Maybe even tonight I'll use one. All right, so that is my GoldieBoxed box. What was your favorite item? I don't know. I really like that journal, and I'm not a journal person, but I really like that journal and the strawberry guava candle, but I think the journal with the pen to go with it, I think that's like the real bonus there for me because I love neat pens. All right, well, let me know in the comments down below what your favorite item was and how you feel like my box fared. Did I pick kinds of things? The other options to choose was a cotton apron by Holly Holly, a $38 value, and you could get rainbow or color block. The LSW London, which was mini cards, kids edition, with designed to build patience, resilience, and self-love with 30 cards. The Luxe Glow eye masks, which were a $30 value. The Styline Smart Gloves with a winter border pattern. I didn't get those because I got a pair in my last winter box, so I didn't feel like I needed another one. And the Upcycle Peptide Serum, which was a $30 value. So you have some big dollar values. I go with what I find is going to be most useful. I'm not like, oh, what costs the most. So let me know, though, what your thoughts are on my box in the comments down below. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. It's all free, and it means so much to us here. And hopefully, we'll see you soon.